Okay, so today we talked about solving proportions using cross multiplication. If we look at the general equation, A over B equals C over D, we know that the diagonals should be equivalent to each other when using the cross multiplication method. So A times D should be equal to C times B. Let's look at an example. We have 2 over 6 is equal to H over 24. So we want to multiply the diagonals and then set them equal to each other. When we do that, 2 times 24 is going to be equal to 6 times H. 2 times 24 is 48, and 6 times H is just 6H. So here at this point, we need to recall how we solve for the variables in one-step equations. So just as a quick recap, the way that you solve for the variables in an equation is by doing the opposite operation to both sides of the equation. For instance, here 6 is being multiplied to H. So to rid 6, I am going to divide, which is the opposite of multiplication, on each side. When I divide on the right side, 6H divided by 6 simplifies to H, because 6 divided by 6 is 1, and 1 times H is just H. And here, 48 divided by 6 is 8, so I have just solved for my variable. H is equal to 8, and we can check to see if that's true. 2 divided by 6 should be equal to 8 over 24. If we simplify each of these by converting them into a decimal, we find that this is in fact true, because 2 divided by 6 is 0.33 repeating, and 8 divided by 24 is also 0.33 repeating.